my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, wishing all of y'all a very happy Diwali. So today I'm going to be creating this very beautiful Diwali look, so let's get into the video. So I'm applying Nivea moisturizer on my face. So this moisturizer is lightweight and non-sticky. It comes in pocket friendly size, so you can just slip it into your bag and just carry it wherever you want. So for concealer, I'll be using L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. This is my favorite concealer. It really conceals your dark circles or your under eye bags really well, and blend it immediately because this concealer really dries out fast. Next, I'm going to be using MAC NC 40 to set my concealer. You need to set the concealer to prevent it from creasing so that you get a smooth base for the eyeshadow. So for foundation, I'm using MAC in the shade NC 40 and I'm dotting it around my face. And I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. MAC foundations are full coverage foundations, so it is ideally great for festive look. Next, I'll be using L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face and also highlight my under eyes. And start blending the concealer with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with MAC NC 40. And for my brows, I'll be using the Loreal Maximalist palette and use the darker shade as my brow powder and fill in my brows. Next, I'll be taking this shade from the Morphe's palette and start brushing it slowly on my crease line. Next, I'll be taking this purple shade from the same palette and I'm gonna start applying it from the inner corner of my eye onto my lids and blend both the colors in. This kind of gives you a smoky look. Next, I'll be applying this indigo color onto my lids and blend all the colors well. I'm going to be using the same color on my lower lash line and blend it out with a small brush. Next, to line my eyes, I'll be using Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner and I'm going to form a wing because it's festive season. To line my waterline, I'll be using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal and apply it on my lower lash line. Be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and I will apply this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. The bristles of this mascara is designed so beautifully, it gives you volume and lengthening effect at the same time without making your lashes look clumpy. If you like dramatic look, this mascara could be a good choice. And for my cheeks, I'll be using the M.A.C lipstick as my cheek tint and blend it out using my fingers. And for lipstick, I'll be using MAC in the shade Ruby Woo and apply it onto my lips. I'm gonna top it up with M.A.C lipstick in the shade 12 because I'm really fond of this shade. I'll be using the Swiss Beauty brick to highlight the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose, and my cheekbones. And my Diwali look is complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me. If you did, kindly please subscribe to my channel and hit like, and also hit the notification button if you wish to see more of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.